is the day that we head down to Tampa to pick up the stuff that Randy needs to complete his car to go send it in for paint. I feel like I didn't say that properly. That ain't sound right, did it?
Complete my car. It ain't gonna be complete. Not even near complete.
Well, we're gonna go pick up a fender, a bumper, and a hood, front bumper, and the hood to have his car ready to be painted. That sound better?
Yeah.
All right, cool, yeah. So we're gonna head down to Tampa. Tay used auto parts. Yeah, I guess so. I mean, ain't much else to say.
Hey, son of a bitch.
I just woke up.
I woke up just now too.
I just woke up like this. Yup. Dog, we're about what, 2.5 hours in? Tampa is
45 minutes ago.
it's a 3-hour drive to Tampa. It's 11:16. We left at like 9 something. Basically, Tampa is far as fuck.
Bitch, I've been running my city like I am the Wizard of Oz. I don't do this shit but nothing but the family and the squad.
Alright, so we made it to Tampa. Tampa's used auto parts. So Tay used auto parts. I guess, I don't know. Alright, now we're trying to find out where's the office. Get in this. I think that's the, I don't know what's going on. This place is huge. You got like 2 big ass bays. I don't even know what's going on. But I spotted an Integra dog with some Type S stocks. I think so too, dog.
I put them bricks in the fender. Fuck around like shit Chris Jenner. I used to break in the Emma.
That's the hood, that's the bumper, or you can choose that hood or that hood. Either or. You know it's a Guyanese person when you got some sugar cane in the back of this mug. I was expecting a much better like vlog portion of picking up the parts, like walking the yard and stuff, but like I don't think they want us to do that, so we ain't gonna do that. But we got Randy's parts all loaded up. 3-hour drive for 3 parts. Hell nah, Tampa, where y'all at, man? I need a Type R cluster, I need a motor. What's up, bro? I thought Tampa was lit, man. I know all y'all do is steal cars around here, but if y'all do steal a car, I need a B20, man, or a LS or something, you know what I'm saying? Hook your brother up, dog. I don't know what that is, but it's clean. Calling JDM Orlando. Alright, so we're at University Mall, boy. Randy said you can count all the cars in the mall. That's how trash it is. He talking trash about you Tampa, my Tampa people. This is a big mall, dog. I'm gonna go buy me a wig, boy. It's actually not that bad of a mall. They got a place in here called Super Facts. About time, dog. My splitter is his own. Well, we are leaving University Mall. And it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. We were told that, what is it, International Mall is the best mall in Tampa? But I don't know what that's at. This is my first time ever in Tampa. I've never been to Busch Gardens, so like this is legit my first time in Tampa. But it wasn't that bad. But this vlog is sucking. What's up, y'all? So for today's video, we're finally gonna be putting on my new splitter. It finally came in the mail after like 6 days of just being delayed. But I'm at Chris's shop, and what we're doing right now is using these custom L brackets. We're gonna have the chassis actually mounted to the car. What? We're gonna have the chassis actually mounted to the car. Oh yeah, that's exactly what we're gonna do, Zosh. We're gonna mount the chassis to the car. Bright idea. Just genius. I also got winglets too, so that's gonna look pretty damn cool. I think it's gonna look dope. But yeah, this is the new splitter. Okay, so as I'm looking at the footage, I failed to realize that I'm doing a horrible job filming. It's just jumping all over the place with like 1 minute. Bear with me. The videos after this are gonna be go back to normal. I promise you guys. The videos after this are gonna be filmed in step-by-step format because this is just smack that like button. Just watch the video. Oh, what? That's actually not that bad. So we gotta trim it a little bit. Yeah. Oh.
Let's see if we can line up a hole somewhere.
Yeah.
Save us some more.
Tuck. Tucker. What's up, everybody? I'm home. Where's Tucker? Oh, that's not Tucker. What's up, George? Chris over here living a life, guys. Trying to be like Chris when I get older. You know what I'm saying?
5-speed family mobile.
5-speed family mobile. We are in a 2006 pristine collector's item Nissan Altima with maximum shifting.
Pristine over here with the wheel all fucking chewed up.
They don't know that. Editing do a lot of work.
Yeah, we'll put a fucking dope wheel on it.
Alright, I do what I can. Watch this gnarly wheel. Tat out. What's up, Hunter? Wow, he's not saying hi back. How disrespectful.
Oh, that's how you break a wrist.
So if you guys are like me and then get rid of your tow hatch, not tow hatch, the thing that goes there so you can tow your vehicle. Tow plate. If you got rid of your tow plate and you lost the boats or just got rid of them, they are M10 by 1.25. Current state of progression. It's in, dog. It's chassis mounted. Got 2 bolts there and 3 at the bottom from the previous clip I showed you. See it right there? That's pretty damn dope. Oh, that's dope. But now it's mounted to the chassis. That's sick. What's up, y'all? So we finally reached the end of this god darn long trashmatic video. Oh my bro, I'm so disappointed in how I didn't film that good. I've been disappointing myself so bad. I don't know, bro. Like, I don't know what's going on, but come Monday, when the really daily, but come this Monday when the daily uploads officially restart, your boy gonna have the best videos again. You know what I'm saying? I've been slacking this week. And last week a little bit, I've been slacking. I haven't been the best uploader, but hey, you know what I'm saying? Content's about to come back fire. The B20 gets in stock, so we're gonna pick up a motor. Then I got some partnerships on ship videos I gotta roll out too. So I'm gonna always have some content. Just come back to the channel every day, but we're not even talking about the motherfucking channel. You don't think we talk about what's going on with the outro? From this Monday to now Thursday, this video has been going on for 4 days. But that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, could you please do the following? You know what I'm saying? Get a marker. You know what I'm saying? You want to go outside, go to your car and write. Smack that like button for it. That'd be greatly appreciated. See, I tried to make it sound cool. Like, I tried to do something else. Like, oh, you can smack that like. I was going to do something like, oh, get a Sharpie. And what am I talking about? Whatever. Thank you guys for watching. Huge shout out to Vintage Auto Works for supplying your boy with another splitter at cost, which is awesome since the first one got ruined because I didn't chassis mount it. So they hooked your boy up. If you like a custom splitter for any car that you own that you just want a splitter, they do diffusers, they do side splitter thing, they do it all, son. Link down below to the website to get you a splitter today. Use code Zosh for no % off. Actually, I just threw them under the bus, so hey, if you do use code Zosh, you might have a discount code. I don't know. Also, huge shout out to my man Chris for basically installing the entire splitter himself. I just dared to film and talk to him. Like, I don't know, but shout out to him. Great guy. If you need any type of like paint work and body work and like fabrication type work, link down below to his Instagram. He's local to me. He's in the Port St. Lucie area. So hey, bro, if you wanna, hey, he's my guy. He's my guy. But that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys at EIBACH this Saturday. Yo, if y'all not at EIBACH, I'm gonna be hella disappointed. I will be at the JB Tune booth alongside with Mark from Honda Street Garage, Randy's gonna be there. The whole Stock Block squad, which is y'all, is gonna be there. I'm gonna have some Marauder banners, some all types of stuff, I guess, to bring. I don't know, bro. Just come to the JB Toon booth, say what up, and grab a banner or something, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this Saturday, April 14th, from 11 to 4, you can catch me at EIBACH at the JB Toon booth alongside with Mark from Honda Street Garage. So come and say what up. All the information you need to know is all down in the description box down below, you know what I'm saying? But thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace!